Most people visit Jeju Island for sightseeing, relaxation, and time away from their everyday life. I do that too, but I focus on food when I go to Jeju. Jeju Island has a deep food culture and a vast amount of seafood to enjoy. I lived on the island before, and I always revisit to share the foods that I've missed. But this time, I'll get some local and seasonal Jeju ingredients and make some simple Korean dishes that I've been wanting to make for a while. When we arrived in Jeju, we met up with some local friends, caught up over some drinks, and ate some Western anju. We talked into the late night and overslept in the morning, but we made it to the market later than expected. We just got to Dongmun Market and we had to get a hot dog. We went to our favorite spot and this is my favorite hot dog. Right behind me I just saw this very traditional street food. It's called bingdak and we're gonna try some of this because you gotta try it in Jeju. So what we got here is kind of like a buckwheat pancake and then they put some radish inside with some sesame. And it's very simple and very delicious. We got 2 of them. I think we should have got 3. When I lived in Jeju, I've walked by this mushroom shop so many times and I never bought anything. I want to take a look today. I think I want to buy something. 안녕하세요. From Jeju?
Jeju.
No. How's that? Really? 얼마예요? I need some money.
네, 이걸 또 먹어봐서 네. 너무 맛있어.
네, 감사합니다.
From Seoul? Another shop owner noticed us and invited us over to try some of his citrus and baked goods for sale. Do you still have red jam?
Yeah, it's got the February. January. January is red yam, and February to March is called canola.
This is super sweet. Very good.
Always.
Really?
Yeah.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
So there's peanut cream inside of this bread? This is delicious. It's really good. Wow. Oh, you gotta try this. It's a lot of cream inside.
와우. 너무 맛있어요. 생크림이 진짜 다르네.
We got a little bit of cooking to do today. So we're gonna get some coffee, take a little notes, make a little shopping list, and then we're gonna come back to the market. I'm gonna get organized for what I'm gonna get in Dongmun. So, get some coffee. I never drank coffee regularly until I moved to Jeju. The coffee shops here are next level. My favorites are the little hole in the walls that focus on high quality beans and fresh roasted coffee. This coffee shop is right next to the market and it was a perfect way to start the day. I usually make my own coffee these days, so I can't leave without buying beans from nice shops. Okay, so the goal for this market trip is to get ingredients for 2 banchan, gosari bibimbap, and seafood ramyeon. Shopping for these dishes should be easy if I don't get distracted. Wow, look at all this banchan. need to check my list of what I need. We're gonna get yuchae namul right now. 유채 나물 주세요.
유채 나물
네.
하나 줄까요?
네, 조금 주세요. 얼마요?
이게 3,000원.
네.
네, 서비스.
감사합니다.
이 키로에는 15,000원, 작게가 5,000원. 5,000원?
네. Looks good. Wow.
서비스.
감사합니다.
네.
Oh wow. Oh, so much.
너무 많은데. 큰일이네.
15,000원.
This market is any cook's wonderland filled with so many culinary rarities and delights. Walking through any market is one of my favorite things to do. Looking at the people preparing foods. At this market, you can see seafood that you've never seen before. Shop owners passing time by talking to other shop owners. I could easily spend the whole day here.
We can literally just use one of this, right?
Yeah.
How much?
이거요? 다 싱싱해요. 이런 거는 여름은 한 4만.
So we got everything that we need for our 3 dishes that we're going to cook. So now we're going to go back to our Airbnb close to Sangsan-in Chubong. We just got to the Airbnb. There's Sangsan in Chubong right there. This is the kitchen that we're going to cook at. Say hello. This place is huge. Let's start cooking. Good. 2 cups of rice. So we got our rice washed. I'm gonna put some gosari into the rice. This gosari is already soaked. I'm gonna chop this up a little bit. Gonna put this into the rice. So the gosari bibimbap is done. It's really simple. Just rice and gosari. Let's give it a little mix. This little sauce, it's basically samjang with sesame oil. We're gonna put this on both of the namul banchan. Mix it up and make it taste nice. They could use some garlic, but it's pretty good for a vacation banchan. Alright buddy, it was nice knowing you. Beautiful. We're gonna add the abalone. Next we're gonna add the dakseu. Finally, we get to eat this quick Jeju vacation meal. So we got seafood ramen, gosari bibimbap, and 2 banchan to eat with our bibimbap. I'm gonna get into these noodles. Mmm. Spicy, delicious, tastes like the ocean. Mmm. Oh wow, that's delicious. Mmm. I tried this earlier when I made it and it was fantastic. We're gonna get some of this with this gosari bibimbap. It tastes so healthy, so fresh. I want to do a little rice dip in my ramen. When you're in Jeju, you don't always have to go out to eat. You can buy some ingredients, some fresh local ingredients at Dongmun Market. Get some rice, get some ramen, get some seafood, and make a delicious meal. Check out Full Belly Travel's YouTube channel for more food exploration. I'm going to show you more of Korea, more of Korean food, and I'm going to start doing more cooking on my channel as well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye-bye.